Hey, welcome to Everyday Creative. So the theater director at our school asked me to help design a costume for the Wizard of Oz, and basically they're going to have a very small person inside of a very tall person's costume, and they need a head and top, and they want the mouth, the jaw to move when the person is talking, and they want the eyeballs to move when the person is looking, just to make it look more real. So it's not just like a big mannequin head. I was a bit stymied by the eyeball problem, and I wanted to come up with a very simple solution, and this is what it is. So these tennis balls haven't been painted yet, but they are going to be the eyeballs. And very simply, I made them turn. So this is just about the simplest way I could figure out how to do this, and I thought of a bunch of different designs. But let me take you through this one real quick. This whole assembly will fit inside of some kind of paper mache head, and the eyeballs will stick out, and they'll get painted, and they'll get some pupils put them in them. So what's going on here is the actor inside of the large green coat will have a cable. And it's a stiff cable. I used an actual cable TV cable because if it was string and you twisted it, it wouldn't turn, it would just twist. So the cable will go down inside of the big jacket. So the cable comes up and it goes through the wood, and it's connected to the tennis ball with some hot glue. And similarly on this side, this tennis ball, it just has a dowel so it can rotate on its axis. And in the back, super simple armature that connects the two. So the only thing going on here is I drilled round holes in the tennis ball at the top and the bottom, and then square holes I cut with an X-Acto knife in the back, and just made, this is a 1/2 inch squared, and a couple of bolts. And that's it. I can't imagine anything, a simpler way to do this. I'll post a full video about the entire build of the costume at some point, but these are the eyes. Thanks for watching Everyday Creative.